Today I want to discuss with you this masterpiece by Rembrandt Herman Zoon van Rijn in the Hermitage Museum in Saint Petersburg. Rembrandt painted the return of the prodigal son between 1668 and 1669, when he was already 62 years old. It would turn out to be one of his last paintings, as he would die only months after he completed this masterpiece. The story of the prodigal son is described in the Gospel of Luke, chapter 15, where Jesus told a parable to the Pharisees about a rich man and his two sons. Jesus' goal with this parable was to illustrate the Christian ideal of mercy. It follows after a story earlier in Luke 15, where Jesus says, "There is no joy in heaven over one sinner who regrets his sins than over 99 good people who need no change." The parable describes that the younger of two sons asked his father for his share of the inheritance and left. He wanted to enjoy his life instead of working hard in the family business. But the son quickly runs out of money, and his new friends were not interested in him anymore. To survive, he gets a job to feed the pigs, and he is so hungry that he even wants to eat the food of the pigs. Then, one day, he realizes how foolish he has been and decides to return home to his father and beg him for forgiveness. And that is the moment that Rembrandt captures in this painting. So what do we see in this painting? If you look carefully, you can identify 6 people in front of an arched doorway. Rembrandt uses light to emphasize the important elements and people in the painting. On the left, situated in the light, an old man, the father of the family, lovingly embraces a young and bald man who bows his head in humility. This is his son, who returned home after a long time. While the father is dressed in beautiful clothes, the son is not. He wears old clothes with holes in it, and his sandals are worn and broken. If you look carefully, there is another detail that reminds us of his past. He still wears a dagger on his belt, which he needed to defend himself in the outside world after he wasted all his money. On the right, also painted in the light, is the older son. He is dressed in a red cloak, and he has his hands folded while holding a cane. He looks at his younger brother with a mix of disapproval and envy. It is not certain who the other 3 people in the painting are. The woman in the middle background may be a sister or the mother of the prodigal son. The seated man with a moustache may be an older servant, and, on the top left, barely visible, is the silhouette of a female servant. So these are the basic elements in this painting. But Rembrandt was not the first nor the last artist to depict this story. To better understand what makes this painting by Rembrandt so special, it is helpful to first have a look at how some other well-known artists from Rembrandt's time depicted this parable. Around 1655, a decade before Rembrandt's painting, Guercino painted a colorful and idealized version of the return of the prodigal son. And around the same time as Rembrandt, Bartolomé Esteban Murillo and Jan Steen created their versions of the subject. Both works contain many more distractive elements than the painting by Rembrandt, and they do not contain the strong color contrasts which make Rembrandt's work so much more dramatic. What sets the work by Rembrandt apart from the works by his contemporaries is the powerful way in which Rembrandt expressed the human emotions in this work. Rembrandt had an eventful life with many ups and downs. Early in his career, he was financially very successful, happily married, and got children. However, soon after, 3 of his children died in childhood, his wife died at age 32, and he faced severe financial difficulties. But one thing that remained constant throughout all these years was that Rembrandt kept creating art. So Rembrandt knows what it feels like to miss his children, and he is able to convey some of these emotions in his work. You can see the father's love in the embrace and the tenderness in the way he puts his hand on his son's back. Looking at his face, we can identify multiple emotions at the same time. We see grief about his son's past behavior, relief that his son is back, and the love of being able to embrace his son. The aspect of this painting that gets most of the attention, though, are the hands of the father. If you look at them, you can notice that they are quite different from each other. The right hand has a lighter color than the left hand, and the fingers on the right hand are longer and thinner than those on the left hand. The right hand is feminine and the left hand is masculine. The reason for these differences has been debated quite a bit over the years, but the way most people interpret it is that they represent both the hand of the father and the mother of the prodigal son, a symbolic reference to God being able to assume both roles for his people on earth. So in line with the lessons of the biblical parable, Rembrandt conveys the important Christian concept of mercy in this painting. And the younger son shows how you can always ask for forgiveness for your mistakes. As for the older son, he is not that happy. While his younger brother was wasting his money and feasted with prostitutes, he has continued to work hard for his father's business and has never gotten a big party like the father will throw for the return of his younger son according to the biblical story. The younger son is not yet sure whether he can put his jealousy aside and forgive his younger brother. The biblical story does not tell us the outcome, and neither does Rembrandt in this painting. He leaves it as an open question. Before finishing, I would like to discuss a couple of remaining aspects with you. First, it is interesting to compare the emotions in this painting to two earlier illustrations Rembrandt made of the same subject. At age 30, Rembrandt made an etching, and 6 years later, at age 36, he created a drawing of the prodigal son. You can see that the basic elements of the son kneeling down and his father embracing him are already present in both works, but the emotional part is still not as present. Second, the painting combines two elements from the biblical story, the meeting between the father and the younger son, and the separate meeting between the father and the older son. According to Luke 15, the older brother is not present when the father is reunited with his youngest son, but Rembrandt uses his artistic freedom and conveniently combines both scenes in this painting. I hope you enjoyed this discussion. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on new videos. And if you have any suggestions on other artists or artworks that you would like me to discuss sometime in the future, please leave a comment below. Thank you for listening.